again, the forecast for Peoria and surrounding areas of central Illinois for rest of today, partly sunny. Latest weather information. This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air.
Oh, we failed again. Look at that.
An alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information.
Today's the 1-year anniversary of our BMH implementation, and after a year they have not fixed this one yet.
Or visit weather.gov for the latest weather at 11 a.m. in Peoria.
Wonder if they're gonna redo it.
The temperature